Today's topic is mathematical treatment of beats. So in order to see what is the beat frequency, you can click on the I button. I have uploaded an activity in which you can see how beats are formed. So students, beats are formed by the superimposition of the two frequencies, different frequencies. When two waves of nearly equal frequency, means one of 100 Hz and another of 101 Hz, moving along the same line and in same direction, superimpose each other. Therefore, we will consider two waves y1 and y2 of same amplitude but different frequencies, that is A sin 2 pi nu 1 t and A sin 2 pi nu 2 t. Now we will superimpose these two waves, means y1 plus y2, that is A will be common, sin 2 pi nu 1 t plus sin 2 pi nu 2 t. We will apply the formula sin A plus sin B, means y is equals to A into 2 sin A plus B by 2 into cos A minus B by 2. Y is equals to A 2 sin, we will write 2 pi nu common, nu 1 plus nu 2 by 2 into cos 2 pi t common, nu 1 minus nu 2 by 2. So this equation can be written as 2a cos 2 pi nu 1 minus nu 2 by 2 into sin 2 pi nu 1 plus nu 2 into t by 2, where this term is called amplitude of the wave, that is A is equals to 2a cos 2 pi nu 1 minus nu 2 by t by 2. So we have to find where will be the amplitude maximum and minimum. So the amplitude will be maximum for maximum amplitude, means this cos 2 pi nu 1 minus nu 2 t by 2 should be equal to plus minus 1. Therefore cos plus minus 1 will be equal to n pi, that is pi nu 1 minus nu 2 t is equals to n pi. Therefore t is equals to n by nu 1 minus nu 2, where n is equal to 0, 1, 2, 3. So we will get maximum amplitude when t is equals to 1 upon nu 1 minus nu 2 or 2 upon nu 1 minus nu 2 or 3 upon nu 1 minus nu 2. Okay, means we are putting 1, 2 and 3. Therefore, if we find the time interval t is equals to, means this term subtracted from the first term, 2 by nu 1 minus nu 2 minus 1 by nu 1 minus nu 2, that is nu 1 minus nu 2, 2 minus 1, that is 1 upon nu 1 minus nu 2. So frequency 1 upon t, that is reciprocal of this term, 1 upon 1 by nu 1 minus nu 2, that is equals to nu 1 minus nu 2. This is for maximum amplitude. Now for minimum amplitude. this term cos 2 pi nu 1 minus nu 2 t by 2 should be equal to 0. Therefore, pi nu 1 minus nu 2 t should be equals to 2n plus 1 pi by 2. Therefore, t is equals to, here t is equals to 2n plus 1 divided by nu 1 minus nu 2 by 2, where n is equal to 0, 1, 2, 3. So the time at which amplitude will be minimum should be t is equals to, when I put t n is equals to 1 means 1 upon 2 nu 1 minus nu 2, and when I put 2 we get 3 2 nu 1 minus nu 2, and for 1 2 and 3 we get 5 2 nu 1 minus nu 2. So we get time period means 3 2 nu 1 minus nu 2 minus 1 upon 2 nu 1 minus nu 2. So we are getting LCM 2 nu 1 minus nu 2, 3 minus 1 is equals to 2 by 2 nu 1 minus nu 2, 1 upon nu 1 minus nu 2. So if we have to find the frequency, we will get the reciprocal of this term, that is nu 1 minus nu 2. So we say that the frequencies of maximum and minimum are same, means are equal, and this is called n, which is equals to nu 1 minus nu 2. N is the, here n is the number of beats, n is the number of beats, and nu 1 and nu 2 are the frequencies.